This tutorial shows you how to download a UDO package using Change Assistant with the AIS Server Connection and deploy the UDO package as a batch using Change Assistant. Starting with Tools Release 9282, JD Edwards Enterprise One Update Manager provides you the ability to download and deploy UDO packages as a batch using Change Assistant with the AIS Server Connection. Let's begin by verifying the JD Edwards Update Center and the AIS server connections. Launch Change Assistant and select Preferences from the Edit menu. Verify the Update Center credentials entered in the Authentication tab and the AIS server credentials in the AIS tab. Click OK. Notice that the status bar displays the verified AIS connection. Now search for a UDO package on the Update Center using Change Assistant. Click Search for Packages and enter the search criteria. Select the type as Enterprise One User-Defined Objects, the release as 9.2, and specify the target environment and search. You can see the specified target environment here in the toolbar, and the search results are target environment aware. The packages that are already deployed are grayed out and therefore not available for selection. The packages that are highlighted are the ones that are available for deployment. Deselect all the packages and select the package that you want to download and deploy. This package has dependencies. The ESU dependency here in turn has dependencies, and they are grayed out, indicating that they are deployed and the dependency is met. Now let us download the UDO package along with its dependent ESU. Notice that the system shows that it is downloading 5 items including the ESU dependencies, but it skips the dependencies that are already met. The UDO package is now downloaded and is available in the repository. The download status shows that out of the 5 packages, 2 were downloaded and the 3 deployed packages were skipped. With Tools Release 9282 and Change Assistant Release 4282, and with an active AIS connection, the system stores the downloaded UDO package in the package repository. To deploy, go to Work with Server Batches, select the batch. This is the list of packages in the batch. Now let us deploy the batch. In the environment selection screen, select Auto Share to automatically share the UDOs after deployment. The other options are for the ESU packages. After deployment starts, notice that only the undeployed packages are listed for deployment. The deployment process starts with the ESU, followed by the user-defined objects package. On completion, the browser displays the batch activity report for review. You can see the deployment status of each of the package here. To learn more about deploying user-defined objects using Change Assistant with AIS Server Connection, visit us online at learnjde.com. Thanks for watching.